genetic and epigenetic aspects of skin collagen fiber turnover and functioning.
In this presentation, our goal is to offer you a quick summary of the research and conclusions. Please follow the links to read the research in further details. Thanks to all the authors and publishers for making this research public, thereby advancing science and innovation. Please like, share, and subscribe.
One of the most important functions of the skin, for example protection from mechanical damage, is ensured by collagen fibers and their interactions with other elements in the extracellular matrix.
Collagen fiber turnover is a complex multi-stage process. At each stage, a disruption may occur, leading to a decrease in the mechanical properties of the connective tissue. Clinically, collagen formation disorders manifest themselves as increased flabbiness and looseness of the skin and as early signs of facial aging.
In addition to the clinical picture, it is important for cosmetologists and dermatologists to understand the etiology and pathogenesis of collagenopathies. In this review, the researchers summarized and systematized the available information concerning the role of genetic and epigenetic factors in skin collagen fiber turnover.
Furthermore, they focused on the functions of different types of collagen present in the skin. In conclusion, understanding the etiology of impaired collagen formation can allow doctors to prescribe pathogenetically based treatments, archive the most effective results, and minimize adverse reactions.